the wiring so you can see what's going on here. So this is the wiring. See right here, this is the cap that you pull off so that you can get to the wiring from underneath. That's where you cut it. Alright, and you just put this on, just slide it on like that. Okay, right here is the wiring going back. This is for the license plate light. It connects to the red and then black, yellow for ground. And then the wiring, I slipped it underneath these little the fairings here. This adhesive has stuck up well. It's been raining. Stuck well. Goes underneath. I just fishtail it under here and then run the wires under there. And same thing with the left side. Okay. It's good. All good there. And then I'll show you what it looks like with it turned on. Just put that away here. Here's what it looks like turned on. Up close. Further back. Pretty noticeable. I mean, at nighttime for sure, but daytime, it's more so that it's there. It's the right side. A little further back. Yeah. It's more of a, will the drivers of cars behind you know where to look. I like it. Definitely makes it look cleaner. Alright, this is the night test. Yep, LED works. Let's get the signal going. Left side. Yeah, that's bright. Give you a different angle here. There's the right side. Oh yeah, not gonna miss that. Alright. Any questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. Alright guys, later.